So this saw that I'm going to show you saves you time, saves you money, and it will save your life. I'm Scott Kraft. I'm a general manager at iQ. First of all, thing I want to talk about is silica. Silica is probably the new asbestos for our time period, because in the last 40 years, we've now been laying stones and countertops and everything that now people are dying from silicosis. Okay? This, by OSHA standards, is how much you can breathe in once a month and be safe. This is how much you can breathe in a year. When I cut one of these pavers on this saw, this is how much dust is produced, but almost all of it is captured in the vacuum system. And I'm going to take it from the truck and I'm going to set it down, and then I'm going to lift it up. Plugged it in and I'm ready to go. I'm going to clean the filter. So I'm going to turn this, I'm going to clean the filter every so often, which gets all the dust out of it. Now we're going to just cut one block. All I have to do is turn the saw on. That's about how you run a saw.